Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, Dumpster Cam. I am back again with another dumpster diving haul, yay, to share with you today. And it is some fun stuff. I'm excited. I got this in 2 big bags from Big Lots. As you guys know, I've just kind of not been finding much recently, so it was fun to get these 2 big bags. And I'm always out and about looking and hoping to find more. So I will be back hopefully soon with more videos, which I keep telling you. But I think once spring is over, maybe I'll get back in the big finds. But this is a pretty good haul. And it's probably has more worth than it looks. Well, we'll talk about it. But first, I have this fabulous package I got in my P.O. box I wanted to share with you. This is my P.O. box. It is still open. I renewed it for another 6 months just now in May. So it's good until November as of now. So it's Dumpster Cam. You can address it to Dumpster Cam, Cam, Miss Cam, anything like that. And it's 480 North Canton Center Road, P.O. Box 87948, Canton, Michigan 48187. So that's the P.O. box. And this beautiful card and package came from Larita. And she let me know on my page in a few comments that she had sent me something, so I was on the lookout for it. And it is just beautiful. I believe she made this card with the 3D butterflies, super pretty. And I don't even know where to start. She sent me 2 beautiful little flower seed packets. My mom's actually coming over on Tuesday, and we're going to fix up the garden a little bit more. So I'll plant these then. And I actually want to show you guys my outside, but I'm not going to do that today because it is currently downpouring. But it's looking pretty good. And then she sent me some stickers and some more like DIY stuff for me as well. I love a good DIY. This adorable tiny little book. And then a beautiful spring kitchen towel, which I will put out after I film this video. So thank you so much. It was definitely fun to open my P.O. box, and this was the first time that I had to, they put the slip in my P.O. box, and I had to take it up to the counter for them to get me the package because it didn't fit in the actual box. So that was fun, too. But super beautiful springtime package. Thank you so much, Larita. I definitely enjoyed getting this from you. Now for the haul, we have a little bit of food, so we'll start with that. How many? I think I have 10 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep, 10 of these Annie's Organic Whole Wheat Bunnies baked snack crackers. And usually these are like cheddar, but these are not. So I guess they're just plain old crackers. These would probably be good in soups and stuff. But I definitely don't need 10 of them. I'll keep some. The date on these is the 26th of May, and I've had these for a few days now, so definitely didn't need to be thrown out. And then speaking of crackers in soup, I have a pile, like a little mountain, of the premium brand oyster crackers. Again, great for soup, but I probably have like 20 bags here, and I will never be able to get through 20 bags of oyster crackers. So if you have any ideas on what to do with those, let me know. Otherwise, I'll just give them away, but I don't know if you have any good ideas. I have 1 bag of Max pork cracklins. That one's quite red. These are a good, I think, low-carb snack that people eat when they're doing like keto or stuff like that. Yeah, it doesn't. Yeah, 0. Cool. Okay, and then here's the big part. I have 25 bags, so I think that's $60 worth of this Energize Me protein mix. And these are dated for the end of April, but they will be completely fine. And I'll have to check the sugar. Well, it has 2 added sugars. I'm sure that's from the dried fruit. But otherwise, I think I can give these to the birds and stuff outside. I might just have to pick that out. But like I said, I have 25 bags. And again, I will never make it through 25 bags. So that's why I like to feed the birds and stuff outside. And you can't forget about the squirrels. I have 5 bags of roasted peanuts. Unfortunately, these are salted. So I'm not sure, again, if I will be able to put those out? Maybe. I don't know. But 5 bags of salted peanuts. And then the last food item right here is this bright blue kettle corn. It is cotton candy flavored. This is super fun. Let me find a date on here. I'm not a huge fan of cotton candy. Okay, so this is dated July. And it's not punctured or anything underneath. I'm not going to be able to open it with one hand, but I did check. I always check with these kind of tubs. So this could be a fun gift or something, because it's good until the end of July. So that was all in one bag. And then the next bag had this stuff in it, which is not as much quantity-wise, but this stuff I'm a little bit more excited about. I'm not positive that it's going to work, but I always feel like it's going to, and people just return stuff because they don't like it. But then they give like a reason. So first off, this is just like a little wicker flower pot cover, which I absolutely love. It definitely fits in with my decor. I will find a spot for that. And speaking of decor, I am still coming out with the house tour again, where I show you everything updated, no talking this time, the before and after pictures. There's just still some stuff that I'm not happy with yet. Like my above my stove. Here, let me just show you. So I have this above my stove, which is where a hood range would go, a range hood. However, I had somebody come and check it out, and they said that they couldn't put the range hood up because my wall and ceilings couldn't support it, which is absolutely not true, because there was one here before, and I took it down. Like, I took the cabinets down, and I took the hood range down, and I just wanted them to build a new little cover, and they said they couldn't do it, which is fine, but now I just kind of have to go back to the drawing board or contact somebody new and see what I want to do there. But I will keep you guys updated along the process. So starting right here, I have a solar-powered rock spotlight. This one was $18, and then I have 2 other ones that are a little bit smaller, I believe. So these were maybe around $10 to $15. This one's brand new in the packaging, so I'm assuming this one will work. This one's a little bit broken on the top, but the solar panel is still there, so I'm not sure if this one will work or not. I'll give it a try. And then I have an identical one to that is not broken. Is that where batteries go? Yeah, okay, so that one is missing. It might be in the bag, though. I'll have to check. It's missing the little cover right there. But it doesn't look like batteries go there, so I'll have to... Oh, well, it's solar powered. Okay, I don't know. I'll have to research. So I have 3 of those, and I think that they are super cute. I'll put those out in my yard. I have this turquoise necklace. Obviously, it's not real turquoise. It's from Big Lots, but not bad. That was also in the bag. Like I said, these will go out in my garden. And then speaking of garden, I have this pack of stake lights. Again, solar powered. It says defective on there, but I will be the judge of that, and I'll let you guys know when I have a chance to test these out. But they're all wrapped up. Super cute little tops. And then just the stake right there. I'm not sure how many there are. It says it contains 10, but I'm not sure they're all in there. But I will put those along my patio as well. And then the last thing that was in the bag is this 1.5 liter deep fryer, which is kind of cool. At first I thought it was an air fryer, and I was a little bit more excited about that. But I will definitely not be opposed to trying out a deep fryer as well. Once I can get back to finding more food in the dumpster, which generally doesn't happen until the colder months, I want to try to cook a whole meal using just like products I found from the dumpster as well. So like this, and then the rotisserie thing that I found a while ago. I have tongs, things like that. So I think that would be fun to do as well. But for now, this is all I have. And I actually found half a pack of just store brand toilet paper as well. But as you guys can guess, that's in my bathroom. So I'm not going to go show you that. But that was a very nice practical find as well. And that is it for this video. So again, thank you so much, Larita. I have my day was brightened when I went to the P.O. box and found this. I haven't checked it in a few days, so if you sent me something as well, don't be alarmed. I just haven't checked it in a few days. But otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Dumpster Cam. And I will be back soon with more dumpster diving related videos. And I hope you guys are doing well and staying safe and healthy. Thank you guys.